Hi everyone, we are going to see class 2 now, which is of abstract noun. In our class 1, we have already seen concrete noun. Okay, now we are going to see abstract noun, which is number 2 in this. Okay, now rest 3 to 8 we'll be seeing in our next video. And we have seen our concrete noun in the previous first video. Okay, first video. What is an abstract noun? The definition of an abstract noun is followed. So, okay. An abstract noun is a noun that refers to an intangible concept, that is, which means unable to be touched, not having physical presence, such as an emotion, a feeling, a quality, or an idea. In other words, an abstract noun does not refer to a physical object. ஸோ அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா ஒரு அப்ட்ராக்ட் நவுன்னா என்னது அப்படின்னா இன்டான்ஜிபிள் கான்செப்டா இருக்கும் அது அப்படின்னா டச் பண்ண முடியாது அண்ட் ஒரு உருவம் இருக்காது, ஒரு பிசிக்கலி நம்மளால கண்ணால பார்க்க முடியற அளவுக்கு ஒரு பிசிக்கலா ஒரு பிரசன்ஸ் இருக்காது. அண்ட் தட் கேன் பி த இமோஷன்ஸ், தட் கேன் பி த ஃபீலிங்ஸ், குவாலிட்டி ஆர் an idea also. Okay, so physical or it will not, that is in other words an abstract noun does not refer to physical object. It is sometimes helpful to think of an abstract noun as a word that names something that you cannot see. So, abstract noun that something that a word that you cannot, which will tell you, which you can only imagine but cannot see, or hear, or touch, or smell, or taste. Okay, which means something you cannot perceive with one of your five senses, which you cannot perceive with any one of your five senses. Okay, for example, parenthood, belief, bravery, health, freedom, and so on. Okay, now abstract nouns are words that name things that are not concrete. So abstract is the opposite of concrete. Concrete na உங்களுக்கு கண்ணுக்கு தெரியும், உங்களோட five senses வச்சு நீங்க எப்படியா கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். abstract noun உங்களோட five senses வச்சு நீங்க கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. That is the difference between abstract and concrete. Okay, your five physical senses cannot detect an abstract object. So உங்களோட five senses வந்து கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு abstract noun கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது, detect பண்ண முடியாது. You cannot see it, you cannot smell it, you cannot taste it, you cannot hear it, and you can't even touch it. எதுவுமே முடியாது. In essence, an abstract noun is a quality, a concept, an idea, or maybe even an event. So abstract noun என்ன இருக்கும், ஒரு குவாலிட்டியா இருக்கும், ஒரு கான்செப்டா இருக்கும், ஒரு ஐடியாவா இருக்கும், and even it can be an event, or it can be an event too. Okay, abstract noun. So in the box பார்த்தாலே உங்களுக்கு புரியும் abstract nouns na என்னது. An abstract noun is something you cannot touch, you cannot see, you cannot hear, you cannot smell, you cannot taste. So with your five senses you cannot detect. So that is what is abstract noun. Clear that is? புரிஞ்சுதா அது? அடுத்து பாருங்க more examples for abstract nouns. Okay, heading and examples. Feelings கீழ என்னென்ன வரும்? Anxiety, fear, pleasure, stress, sympathy. Anxiety, கவலை, கோபம். Fear, பயம். Pleasure, happiness. Stress, again என்ன சொல்றது, வருத்தங்கள். Sympathy, இரக்கம். States, being. Freedom, misery, gas, luxury. Emotions, angry, hate, joy, grief, sorrow. இதெல்லாமே abstract nouns. Okay, qualities கீழ என்ன வரும்? Courage, patience, determination, generosity, and honesty வரும். Honesty, I should not pronounce it as honesty, I should pronounce it as honesty. Concepts கீழ என்ன வரும்? Charity, deceit, opportunity, comfort, democracy. Okay, so these all things will come under that. Momentic கீழ என்ன வரும்? Birthday, childhood, marriage, career, death. So all these things will come under moments. So heading, as far as heading is concerned, feeling, states, emotion, qualities, concepts, moments. You cannot have physical presence of these things. You cannot sense with your five senses, but you can only understand it. So these are the abstract nouns. Now next is the contrast between abstract nouns and concrete nouns that denote tangible things. So contrast என்னது? வித்தியாசம் என்னது? That denote tangible. Tangible na தெரியிறது, உருவம் உள்ளது. Intangible na தெரியாது, உருவம் இல்லாது. Okay, abstract na concrete noun. Bravery, தைரியம். So அதோட concrete noun என்னவா இருக்கும்? மெடலா இருக்கும். Success, money, luck, clock, friendship, friend. Okay, now differentiating between an abstract noun and a concrete noun. So எப்படி differentiate பண்ணோம் abstract noun and concrete noun? For example, laughter. Laughter is often cited as an abstract noun. Okay, but laughter can be heard, which could make it a concrete noun. but at the same time, it can be heard with your ears, right? The distinction between abstract noun and concrete noun is sometimes blurry. Okay, so try to understand that too. So, which is the main key point that you have to understand to find out an abstract noun is that an abstract noun does not denote physical object. So, it will not have physical object. Some of the common abstract noun I have given on the big box. Let me repeat: ability, adoration, advantage, adventure, amazement, anger, annoyance, anxiety, awareness, beauty, belief, bravery, brilliance, calm, care, chaos, charity, childhood, clarity, wholeness, comfort, compassion, confidence, confusion, curiosity, death, dedication, defeat, delay, dishonesty, divorce, dream, education, elegance, envy, evil, failure, faith, fascination, fear, fiction, freedom, friendship, generation, goal, gossip, growth, happiness, hate, hatred, hope, horror, hurt, idea, infancy, inflation, joy, justice, kindness, liberty, life, loneliness, loss, luck, luxury, maturity, mercy, movement, need, opinion, opportunity, pain, patience, peace, pleasure, poverty, power, pride, relief, riches, right, rumor, sacrifice, satisfaction, self-control, service, shock, stillness, skill, sorrow, success, surprise, talent, trend, trust, victory, weakness, wealth, wisdom, worry. Thank you, everyone. So this is our class 2 video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Next, in our class 3, we will be seeing countable and uncountable. Thank you very much.